Hi, so I'd just like to say a few quick words regarding nested class. So nested class, or sometimes they refer to inner class, it's just a class that's defined inside another class. And why do we want to do that? Well, it's usually for encapsulation. By that I mean, this inner class it really only makes sense as part of the outer class, right? We would always use the inner class in the context of the outer class. So, for example, if we say, a suit that says, diamond, club, heart, and spade, well, that really only makes sense in the context of poker cards, right? So rather than having the suit as a standalone class on its own, then it would make sense that we actually define it as uh, 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 part of the card class or as a nested class inside card class. Now, you notice as soon as I move the class suit or the enum suit inside the class car, I can no longer just refer to it as suit.diamond because now it's part of car, so I have to start from card and then do a dot, which then gets to the class, that's the class suit, and then dot diamond, which is inside suit. So that's the small change that we have to do when we define a class inside another class. And that's really all we want to say about nested class, at least for now. Nested class can actually get very complicated, but most of the use cases, they are not necessary, at least not for the assignment and the projects that we're going to do for this class. So for now, just remember, if you want to refer to a inner class, we have to start from the outer class.